Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello, and welcome to episode number 90 of Business Behind the Scene. I am so excited. 90, can you believe it? 90 episodes in a row. There's been 90 weeks in a row. I just can't believe it. We're 10 episodes away from 100. So if you guys have any suggestion on what should I do on episode number 100, should I interview my mentors, or should I interview my best client? What do you think? What do you want to listen at number 100? Or should I do like a best moments of this podcast? I don't know. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. So if you have any suggestions, send them to us. Go into my Facebook and find the Francesca Moi business page and go and send us a message with your suggestion. Love to hear. Okay, so today I just had a fabulous day. I wanted to share with all of you guys. I went to the Story Bridge in Brisbane, and I had a meeting with our gorgeous Angela Stagniti, and we had beautiful lunch. It was lots of fun. I haven't had a meeting with someone, like a networking lunch meeting, for literally decades. Okay, decade is a bit much, but it hasn't been for a while, quite a while. It's been crazy. So it was really enjoyable. I was like, stop it. This is so good. We had a beautiful lunch. We talk about business. We talk about, her business, my business, and it was really good. And then we went to get do an interview for her podcast, which is called The President's Diary. She's obviously the president. She's Angela, as everybody knows Angela in the Italian community here in Brisbane and in Australia and in Italy. So it was an amazing interview. It was the first time ever I got interviewed in Italian. I never, ever got interviewed in Italian, and I struggle to speak in Italian about business. My brain was like, wait, am I speaking what language right now? It was really hard for me to put my Italian brain on when I speak about business. Even when I talk to my mom, I pretty much taught her how to speak half in English, because she has some words I can't describe them, I can't explain them in Italian. But anyway, we did it. It was beautiful. It was fabulous. And we have something coming up that we are going to create together. So keep it up. If you are Italian, if you speak Italian, there's going to be things in Italian coming up. And there's also going to be other things in English. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited for what's coming. I'm really excited about being a little bit more involved in the Italian community in Brisbane. I haven't done that much lately, because I've really spent all my energy into building a business. And I look forward to this. This is going to be a good project. I love it. I've got to have fun with it. So anyway, today I want to talk to you guys about what is stopping coaches from scaling their businesses. Like, I'm having lots of conversation with people that have, let's be honest, lots of excuses. I had actually a chat with the other day with someone that was like, I know that you were going to say, I know I am making excuses. I'm like, yeah, that's good. That's good that you know that that's what's happening, right? It's good that you're aware that you're making excuses. And so now that you know that you're making excuses, are you going to stop, or are you going to believe your excuses, even if you know they're excuses? No, I'm too scared. I'm still going to go ahead. And it's like, wow. So we know that something is in a rational fear, and we still decide not to go ahead with something that's going to change our lives forever. It's just very fascinating how so many coaches know that they can't just keep going the way they are. They can't keep spending time in one-on-one business. They can't keep coaching people one-on-one, because that's time for money, which means that you can never scale. And scaling is not just about making money. Scaling is about being able to help more people, right? When you have more time, that means you can help more people. But if you are not looking at the business that way, and you're trying to just stay small, that means that you are actually doing a disservice to all the people that would like to work with you, but you don't have enough capacity. And when we don't have capacity, some of you are thinking, oh, Francesca, that's a problem far away, because right now I'm not even fully booked. I hear you. But probably the reason why you're not fully booked is because somewhere in your brain you are afraid to get too many clients. So there was a person the other day that said to me, yeah, I don't know if I want to, you want to teach me how to get more clients. I don't know if I want more clients because I don't want to get overwhelmed. I don't want to get fully booked. I don't want to get stressed. I don't want to work too much. And so I'm going to say no to more clients. I mean, I want to help you set up a business that you can keep having more clients and it's not going to affect the hours that you put into the business, because more clients doesn't necessarily mean more time, more hours, more effort. More clients mean you're impacting more people, you're helping more people, but your time is the same because you are coaching them in a one-to-many situation. So for me, I have 400 people that joined the Mafia Academy in the last 7 years, and I just coach them into a group setting. So we have created multiple calls. So I don't have just one call, obviously. I've created different calls because I know my clients, understand the journey, understand where they're at each phase. And I created a coaching session per phase. So the clients are going into that phase where they need help, and that's it, right? And that's something that was priceless for me to really understand in business. To go, all right, if I want to scale this, I need to serve my clients where they're at and be able to give what I believe they need without having to go away from moving away from one to many and go back to one-on-one. There was a part of my brain that thought, oh my gosh, if I really want to help people, I need to do that one-on-one. No, I can coach them one-on-one in a group settings, so that everybody else also learn. When I'm able to coach someone and give someone a breakthrough, an aha moment in front of other people, that means in that time I'm helping 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 people rather than just helping one. This is the difference between someone that sees the vision and go toward that, and then someone that makes excuses. Listen, I hear that your business is different. I hear you. I hear that every day from every business. Your business is different, but at the same time it's not. Your business is different, but at the same time it's still a business. You still have the same we still can implement similar strategies. Obviously, we need to make it your own, but the strategies are similar, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You need to find some coaches, and again, it doesn't have to be me, but find someone that has done that has been and is done and is gone to where you want to go, and tell them to show you the way. This is a faster way. I mean, they say that all the streets take you to Rome, but if someone already been to Rome and they can tell me a shortcut, I will ask them to show me the way, rather than me trying to figure it out, because I could go around and around and around and get lost. So this is where I see that the biggest thing, the number one thing that is stopping coaches from moving forward, is that they don't even see the vision. They don't even believe, they don't even know how to move from one-on-one to one-to-many. And so they stay stuck into a small business because they are afraid of working too hard. We don't want you to work hard. We want you to work smart. And to be able to work smart, you need to get someone to help you with a vision, with a funnel. And guess what? In workshops, Secret for Coaches Facebook group, I do very often, I go through a funnel with someone and we help them to really get the business to the next level. So if you are interested, the Workshop Secret for Coaches is a free Facebook group where we can help you and support you to get more momentum into your business for now, for free. And then eventually you'll be able to, if you want, work with us further, but you don't have to. The other thing that is stopping people from scaling their business is that they're trying to wear all the hats. They're trying to do everything by themselves. You might have heard me that I have many virtual assistants. We have 7 virtual assistants in our business at the moment, and we have trained over 100 virtual assistants for our clients. And what that means is that we help them find the right match for them. We charge them a one-off fee. I mean, that's for people that are not our clients. For our clients, is included in that membership. And then you get that one virtual assistant that will work in your business. You pay them directly $200 per week. $200 per week. You pay your virtual assistant directly to work 40 hours for you, full time. So that means that you are now, imagine how much you can give to someone that have 40 hours in a week. You can give them, you can ask them to transcribe your videos, your lives, your webinars, everything that you have, your content. You can ask them to write content from the transcription that you have created. You can ask them to do the admin for you, send emails, run your calendar, and help you to remind your meetings for about the meetings that you have. Right, send them a reminder. You can ask them to write emails for you, do the social media marketing, Canva, PowerPoints, posters, graphics, website. Oh my goodness, the list is going on and on and on and on. Social media marketing, there is so much that you can delegate to your virtual assistant if you just let go. Let go of control, let go of doing everything by yourself, let go of the fear of what happened if your reputation cannot be ruined. One of my virtual assistants at the beginning made a really big mistake. She sent an email to my whole database. At the time, my database was 500 people. And for me, 500 people was huge. Right now, we have a database of 21,000 people. But at the time, 500 was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? And she sent an email saying the subject line was shut up. I mean, I did write a book that says, the title is Follow Me, Shut Up and Build Your Network, but shut up written as 3U and 5P, right? So that people know that it's a joke, there is like a way to say it. I don't mean it, I'm not meant to say anything, disrespectful to anybody. So anyway, she sent an email to everybody with the subject line that says shut up. And people started to reply back saying, how dare you, who do you think you are to tell me in the subject line to shut up? I can't believe how rude you are. Since your business grew a little bit, you think you're this magic person, you're this most clever than anybody else. I'm like, oh my goodness, what is going on? And I was devastated, and I thought my business was over, and I thought my reputation was done, and I thought nobody's ever gonna trust me again. I just sent an email saying to everybody to shut up, right? I mean, it was a genuine mistake from one of my virtual assistants, and then my virtual assistant panicked from all these replies, and she sent an email back to all these people regarding shut up in the subject line. Didn't change the subject line. So now the people that didn't open the first email, now they open the second email going, okay, now you're sending me 2 emails saying that I shut up. What is going on? And I was just like mortified. But listen, that one-off did not ruin my reputation. I did still manage to grow a 6-figure business in 6 months after that, and then $1 million business every year after that. So I have definitely not ruined my reputation for that one email that was sent out to 500 people 7 years ago. So I wanted to remind you that whatever catastrophe can happen or you think it's happening is never going to be that bad as much as your brain is telling you there's going to be that bad. So just breathe and let go and let your virtual assistant take over. Let the virtual assistant help you, and let someone to start to take some things off your plate so that you can start to work on the vision of the business. So many of us are stuck in the business so much. We're working time for money. We're working around the clock rather than spend time with the design and the vision of where we're going to go. So I invite you guys to come along into Workshop Secret for Coaches for us to either help you find a virtual assistant. We do that as a service now as part of our business, and we also do that for our clients. We can teach you marketing, social media. We can teach you how we have scaled the business, and we can teach you all the operational stuff. I love all the operational behind the business, how to get a systemized or processed, and in a way that the team can follow the strategies without you having to macromanage everybody. I love my business. I love what we created. I love how we have managed to get a process and procedures in place, and everybody follows the procedures, and everybody know what they're doing, and ta-da, the business works. So if you are keen to get your own virtual assistant with us, we can do it for you. We do a test of your own personality, and then we do a test of the personality of the VA, and we're going to find that person that is the missing link in your business. So if you are very detail-oriented, we're going to find you someone that is very creative. And if you're very creative, we're going to find someone that's very detail-oriented. So we're not going to find someone that you're going to most likely, you know how people always hire people that they like, but that will happen that the people are the same. So we want to hire people that are similar to you, but also hire people that are the opposite of you. So I have learned so much from my virtual assistants, and they've learned so much from me. And now we are all a little bit of, I'm able to be organized. I am super organized. I'm also able to be very creative, and I can be very creative as well. So I'm now able to do all of it, but it's because I've worked so much with the virtual assistants in my business have the expertise, and they got very good at that. So if you're interested in any of that, come into Workshop Secret for Coaches and get in touch with us, and you can book a VA Game Changer call. What we can do with that, we can go through your business and see what are the tasks that you're really wasting your time on, and then we can work out what a virtual assistant can do for you, what tasks you can delegate to her, and ta-da, your business will explode. But you have to be able to delegate 40 hours a week. Even think about it, right? 40 hours a week. And some of you might be thinking, I don't even have that many tasks. Oh, yes, you do. If you don't have that many tasks, that means you're not really doing. The potential to your business will be quadruple, like even more, right? Because we can get your virtual assistant to do social media marketing and explode your presence online, so that you can triple, quadruple your clients and your leads and your emails and everything. So let's go. Stop playing small, start thinking big, and get into a VA Game Changer call so that we can start to plan your dream. Because dreams do come true. You don't have to work around the clock. You don't have to exhaust yourself. We're all about working smart, not working hard. So if you are about to burn out, breathe. We are here. We're here to help you. We're here for you to win. And together, we can win even more. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's podcast. And I'll see you around. See you next week. We are 10 podcast episodes away from 100. I am beyond excited. See you guys. Have a great day. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.